Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. This is Christmas card series number 3. For these cards, I used a stamp set from Fawn called Sweet Christmas. This is an older set. It's one of the first stamp set that I bought when I was just starting getting into card making. Here I already went ahead and stamped my images on 90-pound Strathmore watercolor paper with VersaFine Onyx black ink. And then we're gonna color these images with my Zig markers. The first marker that I use is brown, and I just did that on the edges of the gingerbread, and beige for the light color. I also use my jelly roll pen to add some details on my gingerbread images. So here are my gingerbread people, and I fussy cut them off camera with my detailed scissor. I also use Stamp Penda's Christmas tree stamp, and I already have them colored and fussy cut. Let's begin creating our background. I will blend some color on my panel using Broken China Distress Oxide ink. I have this also older dot wooden stamps from Stampin' Up, and I will use them to create my background snow. I will stamp them with Versamark ink, and I don't mind if my stamping are overlapping. Now I'm going to add my white embossing powder on the stamp background, and I will melt that with my heat tool. I use this die from Mama Elephant to create my snow hills, and sentiment stamp from Your Next Stamp Winter Home. Now all we need to do is assemble our scene on the panels. I made this set of cards for my high school friend so she can use it or send it to her family and friends this holiday season. This is a kind of personalized because they only have one kid, so I only added one gingerbread kid on the cards. So I'm just gluing everything on the card, and then we'll trim the excess, and we're gonna adhere this on our A2 size panel. And I think I used red cardstock from Paper Tree ink. And then for the inside of the cards, I also have sentiment stamp on this white paper, so I'll just add that adhere that in the inside of the card. And then lastly, I'm going to add this I think I used diamond stickles on this one, so I'm just putting it on the edges and tapping it down to spread the stickles. I want to share how I package my set of cards. I use this clear packaging that I got from Amazon. I think I have like 8 sets of cards inside of that clear packaging, and then I wrap it with this cream and gold twine and add the leftover Christmas tree that I colored and fussy cut. And here are my super cute cards. I hope my friend will like these cards that I created for her, and I hope you like it too. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.